know, I can hear the hint. The wind is definitely howling.
Telephone poles are rocking back and forth.
Yeah, look at that. See the light shimmying back and forth. Yeah, look at those trees, man. Like getting like close to hurricane strength here.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You hear that wind howling, man? Look at that. Oh. I gotta keep filming this one, man. This is like really intense. I couldn't upload it to channel 13 because it was too big. They said the file was too big. But YouTube will take the larger one, so I'll let them YouTube take this one. I'll try again. I'll just mark it like 2 or something. Part 2.
It's amazing that it's lasted so long.
Yeah, I know, like 3 days. It's been 3 days, the same thing. It's like we're getting used to this, yeah.
Keep looking around for a tornado.
Yeah. The neighbor's trees look like they're coming down over there. Damn, look at that over there. Crazy. Yeah. Getting killed out there. Whoa. You know what it is? I think it's because we're getting closer to the eye of this thing. Remember? Yeah, because it said it was coming towards us. Just see where it goes, right?
Ready?
You ready? Yeah. Towel. Take one. There it goes. There it is. I didn't really get it too good though. I don't know. Somebody commented the YouTube Omni something or other. I don't remember the email address, but he typed something. I hear first. So he must have filmed it and put it on. And I don't know where the link is though. But he probably filmed it and already put it up already. But I'm gonna put the exact time this time in there when this was filmed. And it's what now? It's what time is it now? About 6:30. Oh, look at that, man. You can see the way the rain's coming off Marilyn's house over there.
Yeah, it's like freaking slab.
Yeah, it's like soaring off the top of the house. Damn, look at that tree blowing over there. Violently. All of them. You can hear that. You hear that howl now. Whoa.
That ocean food right now, man.
I know, right? I should go over there and film some of that.
Get some of that. Put on
But I gotta gear up, yeah. This is definitely like freaking hurricane weather.
You have to go to work this shit.
Only if the power goes out. Can't work with no power. If there's power, I gotta find a way to get to work.
I'm going to have to drive right now for this shit.
Yeah, yeah. I know, these people are crazy driving right now. Whoa! I'll cut it at 10 minutes.
I'm telling you, we're probably going to one of these streets.
I don't know, man. They look pretty sturdy to me. These guys look pretty sturdy. I mean, it's a good thing he trimmed them. Maybe if they were still full of all that crap, it would have, you know? If the heads on them were too big, then it would be too hard for it to hold it all up. It would knock it all over, you know? There goes the telephone wire. Yeah. Yeah, look at this tree over here. Alright, there you go. Unnamed tropical storm. October 9th, Sunday, 6:15 p.m. 2011. See ya.